Hey guys, so welcome back. Right now, as you can see, I'm all ready. I'm going out, but I am going to meet my mom and dad. I haven't seen them since, was it last year or last year but one? I think since last year. Yeah, should be last year, but early last year. Yeah, something like that. So I haven't seen them in a while, and they are coming to look at something here in Ruai. So that's where we are headed, me and my sisters. I don't know if my brother will be there, but I think he will. And they have brought us some things, which is why I am excited even more to go and see them. So yeah, I just knew yesterday and I thought I would vlog this whole thing. Plus I have some luxury apartments I want to show you. They are newly constructed, which is also why they are here. So keep on watching to see everything, all that. You'll see how spacious this place is, how big, huge the houses are. I'll show you all that in this video. So this will be more of a luxury house tour. It's a they are all, I think, 2 bedrooms, but I'll show you all that. So stay tuned, keep on watching. I'm excited for the whole thing and to show you guys, in case you have anyone who's interested in moving in, moving out, I don't know, all that. You can also refer your friends and all that. Plus, you know me, this is my first time having this weave on. This is a weave, it's not a wig. I've had it since last year, late last year, I think on 28th, and it's still giving me those vibes. I feel good. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna continue doing them, because it's doing more damage to this part, which is out. This is my hair. The weave starts somewhere here, goes all the way to here. So this part is my hair, and I don't want to flat iron, so I haven't flat ironed since then, and it looks weird. But this is how we are looking. I have some jeans on and some sandals. Guy, usiku si nimegongwa na kitanda, so I can't wear closed shoes. So yeah, that's how I'm looking. Besides that, it's more of business for me and you guys, so which is why I'm in this kind of a coat. Looks good. Yeah, so let's go. Besides that, guy, we didn't have power for 2 days. I had baked, well, I had needed the dough for cinnamon rolls, which I'll show you. They are tasteless because they've been in the fridge. Fridge didn't have power because there was no power. Kenya Power, what you're doing to people. Anyway, so cinnamon rolls, I want to carry some for them. I think I'm gonna carry about 6 for each and every one of them, but they are tasteless for being in the fridge for 2 days. So lights came back last night at 11. I had to wake up and bake them. So yeah, it is what it is. So we are just gonna have to eat them like that. Besides that, I have no foundation on. I just drew my IP, laid the hair. Yeah, that's how we're looking. I'm gonna do an updated skincare routine for you guys to see all the products that I'm using, if you wanna look glowy as we are looking this year. Yep. So see you in a bit. Bye. So hey guys, we are here, and I will only show you one unit. We are finished. I will definitely show you more. So here we have a very special sitting room. As you can see, the outside there's still we have of stretches. The curtain doors are very high, and in your sitting room you have no that. let's ignore that. But you have a very spacious balcony. I think they belong to the outside, so we can't access the balcony. It has this very huge balcony in the sitting area. You will say this place is so huge. You can also see this right here, and then have your dining space around right here. So the special thing is near the door. You just close. So yeah, this you can make a dining area. Or there's a place there which is very spacious. You put a dining table, you put the door. You can make an open kitchen. This is very open and very spacious, as you can see, from this wall to this wall. It's a whole, it's an entire runway. So huge, you can place your fridge right here. Whatever you want to do in this place. Here you can put your gas, oven fridge. There's another provision right here. You put your gas there, your cooker, and all that, and then the storage space is also very spacious. As you can see, just some very few final touches that needs to be done, but it's 95% done. Very, very many kitchen spaces, very many, and you have some more on top. You get to have, yeah, and also there you can place some things there on top as well. You can see you have the kitchen rods, curtain rods, and all that, so they have been provided for you. Something else, you don't need to fix your lights because you have already been given lighting provisions. They are already installed for you. So amazing, amazing. And then you get to have another balcony. Apart from the other sitting area, you have another balcony right here. And you can place your feet here and enjoy the serenity of this area because it's superb. And then you have some serenity. Yes. And then you have some stairs. If you wash your clothes from the house, you have some stairs that go all the way to the hanging area. The hanging lines is right there. For this house, amazing. I don't know where you can get that from. In Nairobi rentals, because these are rentals. And then, after that, you now get to go to the bathrooms and the bedrooms. So you have this kitchen sink, which after you get into the house, this is where you wash your hands. Yeah, it's sanitary. And then you have another space right here. This is an extra space here. Extra space. This you can place your plants if you have any, or anything that you want. It can also be another storage for your things, like a store. So, and then all the doors are all metallic. So no one can break in. No one can really break in because they are metallic. And then on this other side, this is where you get a toilet for everyone. This is used by everyone in the house. If you have visitors, guests, and all that, if they want to shower, you get a shower provision as well. So yeah, there you go. And then you can hang your towels here. And then it also has toilet paper holder. You get a soap holder, another tap. Amazing. Yeah. And then another metallic door. So after that, you now get to the bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms. This is the master bedroom right now. As you can, so this is the master bedroom. Very, very spacious. As you can see from the camera, which is right there. of the world. You get all this space. Like I haven't seen a house, a rental with this much space. In Nairobi, because I lived in a Kakasi area, the houses there zimenyongwa kama kitu kingine. And then here you get to have all these houses are ensuites. All of them. They have a toilet inside each bedroom. So you get a bathroom and a shower. A bathroom and a toilet, sorry. So this part is where the toilet is, and this other part is where the shower is. This is the shower, and then you get a sink. Just one sink because they are rentals. Anyway, you get another toothbrush holder right there. So everything is provided. A towel holder, because why not? We extra like that. And then you get so much storage space. Look at that. Wow, I'm in love. If I didn't have my own house, believe you me, this is where I would live. So much storage for your clothes. Then you get this compartment for, I don't know, your makeup, your perfumes, with some drawers. 3 of them, and then another one looking like that, which you can, I believe you can compartmentalize. Is that the word? Something of the sort. Anyway, here you can hang your shirts, your dresses, your coats, and all that. If you live alone, if you live with a partner, you can share. And then you get to have another huge balcony in your bedroom. Like, this is really, really huge. And then the hanging area is here, as I said. But then next time I'm gonna show you these other houses as well. I will not show you here. This is another block. I'll go outside and show you. And this is another block. So there are 2 blocks. There are 2 houses. And here there are 4 houses. I'll show you all that next time. Those are the hanging line area with so much space. So yeah, this is the other bedroom. I believe I didn't show you. This other bedroom, you just get so much space, so much. A toilet, the toilet is here, the sink is here, and then the bathroom right there. So they are all ensuite. So these are my dad's apartments. Yeah, there are 6 units altogether, but as I said, I'll show you all that when they are complete, like literally complete, because there are still some things that need to be done, but the spaces here are to die for. They are to die for, y'all. And I'm in love, so I'm gonna show you next time. Let me just go outside and so the other unit is right there. That's the other unit. And then the stairs, you go to first floor and then rooftops. I'm gonna show you all that next time. But as for now, this is the outside. It's looking like this, which is, as I said, I believe it is something or 90% done, because we only need to place some cabro or tumwage ile huko, so that people can walk on or drive in. So the outside looks like this. So that's the one I showed you, and this is the other. I'm gonna move way back so I can show you. And now the gate is right there. Like, you get to have all this space for you. That's the gate. You'll intend there are some trees. Oh, and my battery is dying. Unbelievable. So yeah, right here, those are sorry those are the houses. That's how they're looking. Beautiful. I'm in love. with these houses. The space, wow.